Yeah, let's go to the airplane na auntie is there, oh. Okay lang ka, drama? Doble-doble lagi mong palo. Hold him, auntie. There's a lot of cars. Let him walk with you. Chico, say hi, airplane. Oh, where's Lola? Ma? Let's go na. Let's just go to seat number 4. Ah, Ma? Alright guys, so right now we are boarding the plane. Time check, 6 o'clock ng umaga. 30 minutes more and we are going to fly up, up, up in the sky! Yahoo! Hanggang si auntie. Ayan, we are ready for our travel. Someone's going in the airplane. Here, Kalbi, here. Let's go. Chico is there, very behaved. So, eto ang kauna-unahang travel ni Auntie Christine. Ayan. As African tourist. Auntie is a tourist with a tourist card, visa. She's going to see Philippines, guys. Of course, only with Cebu Pacific. Cebu Pacific. You see? That's one of our local airlines and international. So let's go past that way at the back. You see the airplane, Chico? Lola is there. Say hi. Okay. Yan. Hello. Auntie is going to leave us. She's going. She's going. Hi. Morning, sir. Thank you for helping. Ay, salamat. Merong tumutulong. Okay, let's go.
Good morning.
Morning.
Number
44.
Harap po, atubangan.
wait lang first, baby.
Careful with your IDs, yeah? You hold tight, maybe you'll drop. Okay, guys. So, seat number 4 tayo sa harap. So, we have to wait a little bit. Medyo marami na yung nauna sa atin. But it's okay. Patience is key. But the weather is really good right now, right? The sun is good. Alhamdulillah for the good weather. Good morning. Yes. Thank you. Number 4, tama. Si Calvi, ma. Unahan pa. Layo pa ta. Tabangan pa.
Hello everyone, pleasant morning. There are several flights where we make moments happen with you. This is the
Yes, please. Number 4. They are seated at number 18.
For our newly boarded guests, we're
Ah. Okay, so maliit lang talaga siya na airplane, guys, kasi bound for ano lang tayo, local destination. Excited si Chico. Ayan, oh. Ay, number 4. Family naman kami, oo. Sit properly.
Open this one? Yes. Where is the other one?
I'm twisting.
No more?
Hello everyone.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, time check natin 6:30 AM and we are on the dot. Ayun. Right now the weather is sunny and there's a bit of clouds and we can see a very bright future ahead. Nag-DJ. Ngayon, single ang lola ninyo. Wala akong katabing mga bata yan. Naiwan sila doon banda sa harapan kasi gustong tumabi ni Kulot sa lola niya at si Auntie ay nakatabi kay Chico Chico. So, ano muna tayo ngayon? Declared single. So, on the dot yung ating paglipad. Ibig sabihin, on the dot din yung ating paglanding mamaya. And, of course, we are very excited for this trip. So, huwag nyo kaming iwan, guys. Samahan nyo kami sa aming budget travel. Marami kayong matututunan dito, guys. Kaya don't skip this video!
Hello everyone, Cebu welcomes you.
Our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your entire Cebu team, headed by our flight crew captain TJ and first officer Luke, together with your cabin crew Dean and Max, we thank you for making Cebu a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do.
Yay! Thank you! Thank you! Alright, come hold Mama. I'm here. Alright. Welcome to Zamboanga. Bienvenidos, Zamboanga! Bienvenidos! Hi! Kaldagan ang Zamboanga! Kaldagan! Come, we go now, we go! Asan yung ang claim stop sa maleta? Alright, Zamboanga International Airport. Here we are. Papicture tayo dun sa may Bienvenidos Zamboanga kasi minsan lang to. Ayan. Dito kasi sa kanila parang Chabacano ata. Huwag tayo magtagal dito guys. Baka palayasin nila tayo dahil merong mga propeller na naka-on. Sobrang excited ng mga anak ko guys. Worth it talaga yung mga pinag-ipunan ko sa buhay. Yung mga ano dyan. Sa lahat ng mga utang ko dyan, mag-antay muna kayo ha. Worth it naman itong ginagawa ko eh. Sana masaya kayo para sa akin. Hindi pa ako nakabayad ng tubig ng kuryente guys. Hindi pa dumating yung bill. Bala ka dyan tubig ng kuryente. Ay kuryente ng tubig ah. Papahinga muna yung madam nyo ah. Hindi ako nabuhay para magbayad ng mga bills dyan. Bala kung walang tubig, ano ginhaw? Bienvenidos Zamboanga! Wow! Ang cute! Ito na pala yung kanilang decoration ng Vinta sa loob ng airport. Sobrang cute naman. They are well known for their colorful boats or called Vinta. So ngayon kukunin natin yung ating luggage. Auntie, do you see? They are well known for that kind of boats. It's called Vinta. Yes. Yan, naging tour guide na ako ng Zamboanga, guys. Alright, wait tayo sa luggage kasi kinuha nila kanina para ma-check-in yung mga hand carry.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's go out. Palabas na tayo sa airport. And we are waiting for our sundo. Let's wait. Okay, guys. Saan pag-ingon? Bisaya ba dali?
Mix.
Mix, Chabacano?
Chabacano o...
Wow. Saan pag-ingon? Welcome, Zamboanga.
Bienvenidos.
Bienvenidos. Tama lagi, bienvenidos. So mostly sa mga tao diri fluent mag-Chabacano?
Mostly po.
Wow, okay. Chabacano is it really like 100% the same like Spanish?
Not really. Parang ano siya, ma'am. Mix Chabacano pero
may Spanish. Kasi di ba pag pinapakinggan yung Chabacano para siyang Spanish?
Parang Spanish.
Oh, galing. And I really love the way it sounds. Meron akong kilala before way back sa university, guys. Chabacano yung kanyang salita. Ang ganda pakinggan din. Ay, sorry. Seatbelt tayo. And let's move. Religion in Zamboanga, when it comes to percentage, Islam is around 30%. Okay, unlike Sulu is
like almost mga
90%, something like that. Majority sa Sulu are Muslims. In Zamboanga, around 30% are Muslims. The rest are different kind of religions from Catholic, Christian, and yung iba pa nating relihiyon. So, ngayon nakikita ko, I can see Islamic clothing, but hindi ganun kadami. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon, guys. And we have landed at exactly 7:45 AM. We are ahead of schedule ng landing. Hindi maulan, hindi rin mainit yung araw. God is good. Amen. Ayan. Wow, it's already busy. Kasi ngayon ay weekday. So, dito kayo umupo at magmuni-muni. Oh, they are also fishing for free. Yes. I love Zamboanga. Okay guys, so sa episode na to, marami kayo. Mga grapes, oh, isa ka truck. 100 pesos. So sa episode na to guys, just watch out kasi marami. Since first time ko dito and dala ko lahat yung mga anak ko and I'm also 7 months pregnant traveling, you will see a lot of tips and hacks in travel domestically, ayun, or local travel. So if you are looking forward to that part of your life or hindi nyo pa nagagawa to or you are planning to come here in Zamboanga, please stay with me in this episode. Ayun. Okay, what I did right now is talagang nag-contact ako ng tour guide at saka meron tayong vehicle for the day dahil comfort is key kapag merong mga bata. Okay? Kailangan nating isipin na hindi yung energy ng mga bata ay hindi katulad sa ating mga adults. So, dapat meron talaga tayong komportableng sasakyan. And right now, they are there behind. Ayan. Say hi! Hi! Wala pa sigurong breakfast mga yan, guys. Di parang ano yan nila. Pakainin natin yung kakanin, be. So, yung mga kakanin dito man. Pero ang sarap lang ng flight. It was very smooth. Sensya na kayo, guys. Yung mga energy ng mga kasama ko, hindi pang vlogging. Pang ano yan sila, pang behind the scenes. Mamaya kunan ko yan sila ng mga bloopers ba. And the city hall. And the oldest. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, you can go out in the night. You will go down from the mountains.
Then we come down here.
Not yet. We are going somewhere first. So, Pasko na dito sa Zamboanga, guys. Kasi alam nyo naman, ngayon ay December na. At nakaugalian na nating mga Pilipino na pagtungtong ng Burr, ay meron na tayong decorations. Syempre, hindi magpapahuli ang Zamboanga dyan. So, okay pa din pala kasi they were able to preserve some of their oldest and oldest building at saka yung mga establishments na panahon pa ng Spanyol. Oh, grabe maka-Spanyol si Madam ah. Ang alam ko sa Spanyol, guys, lamesa lang talaga tsaka kutsara ba? Sali ba yung kutsara? Guys, ang first natin gagawin ngayon, ang first stop natin is dito sa Paseo del Mar kasi mag-ride tayo ng boat papunta sa well-known and most popular Pink Beach or Santa Cruz Island. So, first rule nila, bawal ang plastic. So, wala tayong dadalhin plastic doon. Kaya iniwan ko yung mga kilala kong plastic. Yeah! Pwede. Alright guys, Zamboanga na talaga tayo kasi kita nyo ang toilet nila dito. Moher for the ladies and hombre for the men. O, diba? Nalito pa ako guys. Sinanong ko pa, saan po dito mababae? Wala akong idea talaga. Now I know. So, dun tayo sa Moher. Magbihis lang kami. And then, diretso na tayo sa Santa Cruz Island. Ayan guys, ready na tayo punta.
Naman ka diingon.
Sige lang sir, kunin ko yung contact number mo sir. Huwag kang Ayan guys, ready na tayo. Itong ating outfitan, courtesy of Ukay-Ukay Jensen na naman tayo. 350 pesos lang. Yahoo! So, ayan ang full outfit natin. Okay, bakin ako.
Bienvenidos!
Bienvenidos Zamboanga!
A few moments later.
Is this your first time po ba? Yes, first time. So welcome to Santa Cruz. Thank you. From the City Government of Zamboanga. My name is Edgar.
Alright guys, let's go. Ayan na si Chico. So ang una natin gagawin is to ride the Zongkong o yung kanilang local boat going to Santa Cruz Island or yung Pink Beach. So ayan. Ma, gahulat si Kuya sa imo ma. Yan. So it's really, really organized, you guys. Kasi before going to Santa Cruz or even before boarding the Tongkong, ayan, or yung kanilang traditional na bangka, they are going to have an orientation for around very short, 5 minutes to orient the guest kung ano yung mga bawal at hindi pwedeng gawin dahil Santa Cruz is one of the 2 places that are protected areas in Zamboanga. So we have to follow the DENR rules and policies. All right. Let's be here.
Auntie. Yes.
Auntie is make uga-uga. Here, auntie, oh. Yay! Someone's going to swim. Ah, dili siya poisonous. But number 1 first, we want a vinta. Kaya magpa-picture yun niya ng vinta. Alright, so darating lang natin guys dito sa Santa Cruz Island. Well known as the Pink Beach. Ayun, Pink Sand pala, sorry. Mamaya malalaman natin kung bakit. Wow, thank you so much, Sir Jonathan. So for our tour guide for today, ayan si Sir Jonathan at saka si Sir Abdul. Sila yung mga kasama natin, guys. If you need tour guide and vehicle dito sa Zamboanga, ayan si Sir Jonathan. Ilagay ko yung contact niyo sa baba para pwede niyo siyang matawagan.
Tamal na kuwan siya. Ewan ko mayroon ba sa Cagayan. Kuwan siya, may shrimp siya sa loob, tapos may bihon.
Wow, thank you, sir. This is a nice touch. I like it. Uy. Okay.
Ito sapin-sapin.
Yes.
Ito yung suman. Kaso wala yung budbud, ma'am. Wala, ubos na yung budbud kanina. Yan, sapin-sapin yan siya. Marami nakabili.
Dali sila gang. Galing ka ng flight. Yung flight mo na alas 6 ng umaga. Diretso ng Santa Cruz Island. And then merong ganitong klaseng pagkain. I will choose this anytime.
May shrimp.
This one is sapin-sapin.
Yan yung tamal. Locally called
Tamal? Is this Zamboanga food?
Opo. Zamboanga food yan.
Then we have here tamal. Ayan guys. Basically, tamal is matatagpuan dito sa Zamboanga. Isa sa kanilang local delicacy. So pag binuksan siya, let me show you. This is how it looks. Para siyang rice flour na merong bihon. Para siyang kanin pero yung flour. Nice.
Eternity later.
Alright. Inuna ko muna yung kain bago yung all. Pero yung mga bata, ayan at nag-e-enjoy na. So basically, kaya pala siya tinawag na Pink Beach is dahil sa kanilang sand na may pagka-color pink. As you can see, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun. So this is from the pulverized coral reef na pink or pula yung kulay. And then nahalo sa white sand. See? Look at Calby showing me the pink sand. So from afar, you might think na parang meron siyang shade ng baby pink. So that's how it looks right now, guys. Sobrang kalma ng tubig. And ang gagawin natin ngayon is we are going to see the lagoon at yung kanilang jellyfish. At the same time, we are going to experience the Vinta. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Hi, Lola is in another boat.
Bye, Lola.
Bye, Lola! Bye, Tito! Alright, so first activity natin, we are going for jellyfish, sightseeing, and lagoon experience. So this is a must-do, guys, here in Santa Cruz Island. But pili lang yung pwede mo siyang mabisita dahil it must be low tide. Pag high tide, hindi mo na siya makikita. 1, 2, 3, smile! Yan, galing-galing naman. Chico is right here.
Here.
You like
For
it?
mommy.
For mommy.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
What are you doing?
Mahulog na po niya sunglasses ba, oh? Yes? Yes. Sunglasses of mommy. You're going to drop it. So it's always good to do this kind of activities kapag nasa bagong lugar tayo kasi you will just do it once. Who knows if you can do it again, right? So minsan iniisip natin na maybe time or money, pero when you really reflect on it, it's a must do experience knowing na you are already in that location. Ayan. Normally guys, ako yung klase ng tao na matipid, masyadong budget pag nag-travel. But then I realized you can never bring back time and you can never bring back moments like this. Imagine having my kids around me, ayan, having fun and learning from the nature. So I'm very, very happy and proud of everyone and myself as well for really pushing for this holiday. Ayan. At nandun sa kabilang boat yung mga kapatid ko. Auntie Christine and Mama is behind there. Mama is there and Auntie is there. You know what we're doing, right? We're going to check the lagoon and check for some jellyfish. But they are not poisonous.
So, good morning para sa atin lahat.
Alright, 15 minutes after we started the lagoon tour, ang dami na naming natutunan, especially about the mangroves at saka about dagat in general. So it's really good to have this kind of tour kasi very educational. Yes.
Tinatawag nila na sea grapes. So actually may alternative naman tayo dito, which is na tinatawag.
That's lato-lato. Say lato-lato. Lato. Yummy daw kita. Yummy daw.
Dinonate ni Sir Doc Anton Lim at ni late Ma'am Gina Lopez. Para it's for their livelihood din naman po yung mga taga Santa Cruz Island. Especially po yung mga partner natin.
Thank you.
Para at least, pag may mag-cover ng activity like in our case, andito na tayo sa lagoon, hindi na po kinakailangan
You want more?
sa atin na bumabang.
Yes.
Kasun siya sa deep area na siya.
Okay.
Oh. Dili na siya
Amount
sa sunlight. Hit sa sunlight.
No, that one is not the
Pero
one.
dako siya.
That's not for eating. Okay. So, isa sa nakita namin at natutunan ng mga anak ko, guys, is etong source talaga ng seagrass or lato sa ating pasajensan, sa amin. So, basically, para siyang seaweed. Na pwede mo siyang kainin ng fresh together with some spices. So, ayun, nakita ko pinapapak ni Chico kanina, guys. Kasi natutuwa ako sa mga bata kasi walang pili. Si Calvi din, they are able to hold it live like this and they were able to try. So, napakagaling nun. Yes.
So, actually, the reasons why pinahawak namin si jellyfish sa mga turista, para at least malaman din natin na kung bakit talaga mahigpit na ipinagbabawal yung single-use plastic sa Paseo del Mar.
Okay.
Plastic. Yes. So, normally, pag high tide, maraming pumapasok yung large size of jellyfish. Together with our pawikan din po. So, pag ganito, low tide, naka-low tide tayo, lumalabas din po.
Keep it in the water, it's going to die.
And then yan lang po ang natitira sa atin.
Wow, jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
So, in
Jellyfish go in water.
Yes, they live in the water.
Here.
Here. You want to try? Stay in the water so they can breathe. Wow, wow, kilat them. Anak, you're a good boy. No, don't do like that. Chico is very curious and Calbi is very, very interested to touch the jellyfish. Wow. Stay in the water so it can breathe. Good boys. Ayaw bitawan ni Calbi yung kanyang seagrass.
A few moments later.
Alright. So now, moving around, you can really see all the benefits of following the rules and regulations ng isang place, no? Nakita namin talaga sobrang linis at sobrang maintained ng lugar. And this is because of joint effort, hindi lamang ng mga taga-lokal na nandito, kundi pati na rin yung mga turista na sumusunod talaga sa mga policy nila. So very important na hindi magtapon ng plastic dito kasi naku, makakasira talaga hindi lamang sa mga puno at halaman kundi pati sa mga sea creatures nila na nagiging ano na rin nila dito, highlights. So without these creatures, anong mangyayari, di ba? And everything that we pay for here or sa mga places na binibisita natin, they are actually helping the local community. So that's a good idea. Very good. Okay, so meron mga lumapit na local fisherman at meron silang nahuling mga isda, sobrang presko. Binibenta nila to sa mga bisita, which is okay lang talaga yung presyo. Ito, nabili namin ng 300 pesos kasali na luto. Ayan siya, sinugba lang, simple. Ang mga anak ko kasi mahilig sa isda, sobra. And then, ito rin ay bagong huli. Ayan, bagong huli, maliliit na alimango. 250 pesos lang din to guys, lahat na to. Imagine. So, sobrang sulit. Other than that, nagpaluto na rin kami ng kanin. Oh. So, maganda yung ganitong klaseng mga trip, guys. Yung low maintenance lang. Walang masyadong madaming arte ba. Doon kasi nakaka-focus tayo magsaya, no? So, kahit walang kutsara, oh, paits na. Ano lang, diretso lang. Sausaw sa tuyo. Oh. Yan, makain na ang all.
Nakakabel sa airplane, baka di pa sa kahang mga dili.
Lamig ng tubig, guys. Sobra. Hindi ko to na-feel na tubig sa Jansan. Mainit yung tubig namin doon. But dito, sa Zamboanga, lalong-lalo na sa Santa Cruz, ang lamig. So people right now are just enjoying the Vinta. While nag-picture-picture sila, ako naman nag-swimming with the kids. Chico, come! Chico! Let me see. Wow! It's so big. You wanna touch it?
Yes, but it's in the deep.
But, okay, let me. But you have to keep it in the water, okay?
Okay.
It's alive. You see?
Yes, but where's the mouth?
Okay, hold it in the water.
Yes.
Don't take it out. Don't take it out. Put it in the low water. Like that. Starfish. Yes, a big brown starfish. Okay. Let the starfish be in the water so it can breathe.
No, it can't breathe.
Come, let me put it here so it's not deep for you. Okay, go sit there, go. Alright, so we are almost leaving the island. Pero sobrang worth it. As you can see, sobrang daming nakita, natutunan, at naramdaman ng mga anak ko, guys. As you can see. Oh, di ba? Cloudy, be gentle with the starfish. Oh. You're in the boat. Si Chico very curious with the Vinta boat. Siyempre, isa din to sa very, very big symbol ng Zamboanga. Ayun. Okay, let it stay in the water. So we were able to stay in this island mga 2 oras. Sobrang enjoy, sobrang sarap ng tubig, guys. Worth it, no worth it. And of course, we are enjoying life as we should be kasi we normally don't realize no na isang buhay lang meron tayo. Sabi nga ni Last Born the African, isang buhay mamuhay ng tama. Okay? So mag-enjoy lang tayo ng konti dito sa kanilang pink beach. Nakita niyo na ba kanina yung pink? Focus natin ulit, guys. We go na. Ayan. So, yan yung kanyang pagiging pink. Basically, white sand siya na nahaluan ng mga powderized na coral. Pink corals or red corals. Kaya, from afar, meron siyang konting shades ng pink. Island. Sobrang sarap. Gusto ko na lang dito nakababad forever. Ganun siguro ang buhay ng mga sirena. Masarap siguro yung buhay nila kasi alam niyo kung bakit wala silang utang. Meron tayong mga utang. So, ini-enjoy ko lang yung last 5 minutes dahil aalis na kami dito and we are going to continue in our Zamboanga City Highlights Tour. O, diba? Bongga. So, once again, isa sa kanilang rules and regulations dito ay bawal magdala ng kahit na ano pabalik other than yung basura mo. So, hindi pwedeng magdala ng corals, hindi pwedeng magdala ng bato, hindi pwedeng magdala ng buhangin. Wait na. Nakalunod tayo ng tubig dagat. Pero, nakikita nyo guys, sobrang clean and clear. Wow! Wow! Alright, let's go guys. Impake na tayo and let's go see Zamboanga. This way. Say hi to the crab.
Bye, Crab.
Bye, Mr. Crab.
Bye, Mr. Crab.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, nakabalik na kami ng Paseo del Mar or yung port kung saan kami sumakay papuntang Santa Cruz Island. In fairness naman, hindi lang siya malinis kundi meron din siyang mga amenities for our comfort. For example, yung mga bihisan dito at saka shower area, malinis. Though meron siyang maintenance fee which is very okay. Ang importante doon, malinis siya at merong enough na water, running water. Other than that, pagkabalik namin, syempre hindi na kami naligo dun sa may Santa Cruz Island dahil wala pa silang running water dun. Tubig dagat lang talaga. Dito na rin kami nagbanlaw sa Paseo del Mar. So, very good and very convenient. Ayan, huwag kayong mag-alala guys. Lahat dito is affordable. Hindi sila dito yung sobrang daming sinisingil. No. Kaya so far so good. Ngayon, let's go to our city highlights ng Zamboanga. Ay, sorry. City tour highlights ng Zamboanga. Let's go!